moving on, concatenate. This simply combines or merges different cells. So for example, if I have company written here, company is Procter and Gamble, stock ticker is PG. If I want to put it in a one cell, then how can I do it? I can join these cells using this formula. So I can write that first pick up B52, which is company, comma, then put colon, after colon put a space, then pull in Procter and Gamble, then again comma, then after comma again space, and then pull in stock ticker, and then again colon space, and then PG. So it will give me all of this in just one cell. So company Procter and Gamble, comma, stock ticker is PG. So this is concatenate. Any problem so far?